Now it's time to listen and identify the type of cadence that you hear. Remember, a cadence consists of 2 chords at the end of a phrase. What I'm going to do is play 3 chords, listen for the last 2 chords to identify the type of cadence. I will supply the key and the tonic chord so you can get your bearings as to where Do is. The first one will be in G major, and here is a G major triad. Here is the progression. Listen again. That happens to be an imperfect authentic cadence. Listen to it one more time. In the bass, we have T, Do for the last 2 chords, and in the soprano, we have Sol, Mi. So it's not perfect, but it is imperfect. It does resolve to the 1 chord from a 5, but the 5 chord is an inversion. Let's listen one more time. In the next example, number 2, we're in the key of E minor. Here is the progression. Listen again. This is an example of a deceptive cadence. We are starting out on a minor 1, going to a major 5, to a major 6. Listen again. Let's do another one. This is number 3. I'm in the key of C major. Here's my major tonic triad. Here's the progression. Once more. Number 3 is a perfect authentic cadence. The last 2 chords are 5-1 in root position, so the bass is singing Sol, Do, and the soprano is singing T up to Do, so the soprano ends on tonic. So let's listen to this perfect authentic cadence one more time. For number 4, we're in the key of E flat major. Here is our progression. Once more. Hopefully you felt like that left you hanging, because that indeed was a half cadence. The 3 chords I played were the major 1, the major 4, and the major 5. The bass is singing Do, Fa, Sol. These are all root position triads. Let's listen to this half cadence again. I can make it an authentic cadence if I added 1 more chord. Listen. I've just made it perfect authentic. But the answer for that one was half. The next one, number 5, I'm in the key of F major. Here is the progression. Once again. That one had a comma. It wanted to move and resolve to tonic. So this was a half cadence. We heard a major 1 in first inversion, which was this. To this. To our 5. Making it a half cadence. Here is number 6. I'm in the key of E flat major. Here is the progression. Once more. This was our Amen cadence. This was a plagal cadence. The last 2 chords you heard in root position 4, 1. Let's listen again. For number 7, I'm in the key of D major. Here is the progression. Once more. Number 7 is an imperfect authentic cadence. We actually heard a 5-7 in inversion to a 1. Listen one more time. Number 8. I'm in the key of A major. Here is the progression. Listen again. Number 8 is an imperfect authentic cadence. I'm going 1, 5, 1 in the bass. However, the soprano is not singing do on the last chord. It's singing mi. Listen to the progression once again. Number 9, I'm in the key of B minor. Here is the progression. Once again. Number 9 is a perfect authentic cadence. The last 2 chords in the bass go sol to do. And the soprano sings re do. Here's the complete progression. Listen for the perfect authentic cadence. number 10, I'm in the key of A flat major. Here is the progression. Once again. That was a half cadence. It wanted me to resolve to tonic. I was hanging out on the 5 chord and it felt a bit unstable. Listen again. We open with the 1 chord. And there's our 5 chord, making it a half cadence. For the next example, you will only hear 2 chords. I'll give you the key and the tonic triad and continue to identify the type of cadence. I'm in the key of B flat major. Here is the 2 chord progression. Once more. That's our Amen cadence. It's 4-to-1 root position, making it a plagal cadence. Listen again. This is number 12. I'm in the key of F minor. Here is the cadence. Once more. If you're left scratching your forehead, that's because this was a deceptive cadence. We heard a 5 chord, major 5 chord, to a major 6 chord. If you listen carefully, you can hear the bass go sol up to lay. Listen carefully. So that is deceptive. One more time. Here is number 13 in the key of E minor. Here is the progression. Once more. That happens to be our half cadence, more specifically, Phrygian half cadence. So if you got that, extra bonus points. I played a minor 4/6 to a 5 chord. In the bass, that means for Phrygian half, we heard that half step of lay to sol. See if you can hear that. Here's the bass. Here's tonic. Here's the progression. Once more. Moving on to number 14 in the key of F major. Here is the cadence. Once more. That's a deceptive cadence. We hear the 5 chord going to a minor 6 chord in root position. So the bass is going sol up to la. Let's listen to it. number 15 in the key of D major. Here is the progression. Once more. That's a half cadence. We heard a major 4 chord to a major 5 chord in root position. The bass is singing Fa, Sol. Here's the tonic chord. And we heard the 4 to the 5. Making it a half cadence. Number 16 in the key of C major. Here is the cadence. Once more. Number 16 is an imperfect authentic cadence. The bass is singing Sol Do, but the soprano is singing Re up to Mi. So it was an imperfect authentic. Let's listen to that again. So it was a 5-1, but soprano did not end on tonic. Next one, E flat major. This is number 17. Here is the cadence. Once more. So although we heard the bass singing Sol Do, we heard the soprano staying on the same note, Sol Sol, therefore making this one an imperfect authentic cadence for number 17. Listen to it again. Here is number 18. I'm in the key of C sharp minor. Here is the cadence. Once more. That's your classic perfect authentic cadence. We heard Sol Do in the bass, and we heard Ti Do in the soprano. It's a major 5 to a minor 1. Let's listen to it one more time. Here's tonic chord. Here's 5 to 1. Perfect authentic cadence. Number 19, I'm in the key of A flat major. Here is the cadence. Once more. Sounds like Fa Do in the bass, therefore root position 4-1, making this one a plagal cadence. Listen for the Amen. Number 20, I'm in the key of D minor. Here is the cadence. Once more. That is also a plagal cadence, but it's minor plagal cadence. It's minor 4 to the minor 1. In the bass you heard Fa, Do. Listen. Here is the minor plagal cadence, number 20. 4 chord, minor 1. I am now going to play a longer harmonic progression, and at the end of the progression, listen for the type of cadence and try to identify it. I'm in the key of C major for this one. Here is the tonic triad. Here is the harmonic progression. Listen again. Here is number 2. I'm in the key of G major. Here is the harmonic progression. Once more. Here is number 3 in the key of D minor. Here is the harmonic progression. Once more. Here is number 4 in the key of E minor. Here is the harmonic progression. Once more. Let's go over our answers. We'll head back to number 1. Number 1, we heard 7 chords. We were listening for the 6th and 7th chord to identify the type of cadence heard. I'm in the key of C major, and the answer is half cadence. I started on the 1 chord, and at the end of the chord progression, I heard 1 to 5, do to sol in the bass. Let's listen to this harmonic progression ending with a half cadence. Here's the key of C major. And there's our 5 chord. One more time, listen. time, the bass line was singing the following solfege. Do, la, re, sol, mi, do, sol. And the do to sol gave it away that it was a half cadence. Let's listen to the whole progression. Do, la, re, sol, mi, do, sol. For number 2, I'm in the key of G major. Starting out on a 1 chord, ending on a half cadence. Let's listen. Once more. Bass is singing do, sol, la, fa, mi, do, sol. And with all the other voices, do, sol, la, fa, mi, do, sol. Making it a half cadence. For the next one, I'm in the key of D minor. Starting out on a tonic minor triad, let's listen to the progression. Once more. Here, the bass solfege is singing do, ti, do, fa, sol, sol, do. All together with the other voices. Do, ti, do, fa, sol, sol, do. And the correct answer is a perfect authentic cadence. Bass is singing sol to do, and soprano ends on do. Listen to this one more time without my singing. Number 4, I'm in the key of E minor. Starting out on the tonic triad, let's listen to the harmonic progression. Once more. Bass is singing on solfege. Do, mi, sol, mi, sol, sol, do. With the other voices. Do, mi, sol, mi, sol, sol, do. This is an incomplete or imperfect authentic cadence. The bass is singing sol to do, but the soprano is ending on may, the third scale degree. Let's listen to this without any singing. And there's our soprano not on do. Thanks for listening, AP. Have a great day.